Welcome back to look number 4 using the JeffreeStar Jawbreaker palette. This is a teal and brown glittery cut crease look, and I really love how this look came out. I'm loving how all the looks I've done using this Jawbreaker palette have come out, and I thought you guys would like this one as well because teal and brown are really in. It's always a popular look, and it's very wearable in my opinion. So to get started, we're always priming our lids with that Milani eyeshadow primer, and then we're taking the Jawbreaker palette, and we're going to be taking our shade Cone from the eyeshadow palette on an oversized fluffy blending brush, and I'm just going to use this as a transition shade in the crease. I'm going to build this up a couple times and just really buff that in there, in like the inner corner and the crease up towards the brow area, and just really buff that in is what I'm doing here. And yes, I know you can hear the neighbor mowing, unfortunately, but as soon as I started filming voiceovers, that is when he decided to start mowing. Not that he knew that's what I was doing in here, but yeah. So next shade is Tasty, and it's a matte dark kind of chocolate brown, and the first shade's kind of an orangey beige shade, and I'm putting that in the outer corner, stamping that in, and then slowly bringing it into the crease area, leaving a space between Cone and Tasty so they have a transition and fade and ombre effect to go into one another. It's great for blending, mesh well together, and we're gonna have that nice faded transition that we all love. And I'm just packing that on now. It's kind of messily because we're going to cut that crease and then it won't be very messy anymore. And to cut the crease, we're using the Amuse 2-in-1 foundation concealer, and I'm placing that on the eyelid, kind of looking up, stamping it into the crease, and that's going to give our crease line to us. And we're going to blend the concealer out, and that's basically all you do to do that. And it's kind of going to be a half cut crease look, and this is the shade Cute, which is a nice minty shade, and I'm literally, these shades are so pigmented, and look at that, like no fallout. Can you believe that we use that dark brown, like no fallout? But I'm using a shader brush to stamp that on the lid and really work that onto the concealer. I'm going to pick up a Virgin before we're done with the blending, and I'm going to pop that on the brow bone, and that's going to help blend all my edges down, and we're using that as a highlight. We're going to blend all those shades down, and then we're going to bring the first shade back in, Cone, whatever's on the brush, and blend that with Virgin. So next we're taking the NYX eyeliner pencil in Teal, and we're going to work that in the waterline and the lower lash line as well. And this is a nice cheap alternative color eyeliner. And next we're going to be using the Unshakeable eyeliner to do a very thin liquid liner, and then Jordana's eyeliner pencil in black point. And then we're going to take Cute, and we're going to set that teal eyeliner in the waterline and the lower lash line, and it's just going to give it a little bit more longevity for all day wear. And we're going to be picking up the shade Jawbreaker in this white shimmery golden shade, and we're going to place that in the inner corner, blend it into the shade Cute just a bit there in the inner corner. And yes, so the glitter liner we're using is from Santee. It'll be in the product list in the description box below, but we're just going to take that across of Cute and Tasty. And this is the Benefit Bad Girl Mascara Bang Mascara. Amazing mascara, and I'm just going to use that on the lashes. I was going to use false lashes, but I didn't feel like wearing them today. But that's the finished look. For lips, we're using the Rimmel Kate lipstick in number 45, and it's just a nice pinky kind of nude. I didn't want to go nude with this look, but I did want some kind of nude, so I chose pinky nude. And there's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and if you're loving those earrings like I am, check your Walmart out. They were $2.88 for these ear crawlers. They're absolutely stunning. They had 3 styles to choose from. So yes, that's the look. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Definitely let me know if you're going to try it out for yourselves. What kind of spin would you take on it for yourself? And yeah, let me know if you're enjoying the Jawbreaker palette tutorials as well. I thank you guys always for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, ring the bell if you haven't already. Check the description box for additional links and a product list. And stay tuned for more Jawbreaker palette tutorials.